Concealer is for the girls with perfect skin. Black and blushed. Do you see the shade match? It's giving. Hi, welcome to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I am doing my makeup. I've always enjoyed watching other people do their makeup. I'm on YouTube now. It's my turn, okay? I am no makeup guru, but I do enjoy doing my makeup. So I wanted to share what I do to achieve my everyday, soft, natural, go-to makeup look. So if you are interested, keep on watching. Even if you don't do makeup, enjoy my video. Let's get right into it. Primer. This is my ultimate favorite primer. We also have these ones. This Secure the Sweat. This is actually good. This also really makes your face a little bit matte. This is just hydrating. I think I want to go with this. The One Size Secure the Glow primer. So happy I'm doing this video. I forgot my mask. We'll be reusing this. I'm sorry. I'm glad that I'm making this video because I've always loved watching makeup, not even tutorials really, just makeup routines on YouTube. And now I am doing mine, but this is the Glowy Super Gel Warm Glow, you know, just to add a little oomph to the face. I'm not a pro at makeup, but I'm not terrible either. I feel like I am definitely able to share products and techniques that I use on my face. You know, if you feel like we have similar skin tone, similar skin concerns. My earrings. Why you ain't tell me nothing, girl? I'm learning, you're learning, we're learning together. So I'm letting my face marinate. In the meantime, let's talk foundation. I have combination skin types, so I really like the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. I'm in a shade this. Top 5, not 5. We have House Lab for sure. Luminous Silk. This is also very good. This is bomb. This is very underrated and it's bomb. These are really what I usually go for if I'm going full out. Yes, I actually think I want to go with the NARS and a D1. Sometimes also I use a balm and like put it on my face first and then adding the foundation. So we have a few friends that decided to make an appearance. Let's not talk about this. I am using the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Tint in the shade 9. I'm not doing a lot because I don't want to have a lot on my face, like a lot. Sometimes I do actually wear the Danessa by itself. I'm going out real quick and don't need to have a lot on my face. I'll use this. Can you believe I received this in PR? Because this is what, $50? I've been loving it since then. This is definitely something I would buy again. I usually put it on my face. Recently tried like just put it on my hand. I feel like everything sits on my face better. Do you see the shade match? Did you see that? What do you mean? This is literally my skin. Oh, also I forgot to mention I am a neutral girl. Yes, not all black girls have warm undertone. I do not have warm undertone. If I wear something that's too warm, I look red. I had to learn the hard way, girl. And also, I'm sorry, but I will forever be a foundation girl. I know the trend is to just put concealer on. Concealer is for the girls with perfect skin. That's not me. I have, you know, dark spots. They gotta be covered, honey. I feel like with this, it's very buildable. Like if you feel like you don't have enough, girl, pack it up and it still feels light. And oh, look at this. The NARS is so pretty. You don't gotta be like me, honey, if you feel like this is enough for your face. Oh, I did not mention I'm using the Sephora brush in the number 56. This is a great foundation brush. I definitely gotta fix my vanity also because my makeup, they look crazy. I would show you, but you would judge me. Pro tip, between products you have to let them sit on your face, let them marinate so they can, like, you know, after putting my foundation I wait like a few seconds before I go in with my concealer. I am using the Fenty. Oh my god, it looks beat up because I literally use this all the time. The shade 450N. I'm not really gonna let this sit on my face, and I'm using a different Sephora brush, number 71, and I just tap 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 tap. I also want to know, which is your favorite concealer? Because I tried a couple. Some of them maybe no shade. Another thing I like to do is grab a beauty blender and I just pat 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 pat, make sure everything is really in there. Hopefully I'm not talking too much in this video because This is literally my first time sitting down talking like that. We're having a key, girl. Next step, going in with blush. So this, I bought this a long time ago. So this is Rare Beauty in the shade Grateful. So for my blush placement, girl, I recently found out what blush placement looks best on me. So I usually used to put it like this, but now I put it like this, and it makes a big difference. So I kind of pack it there because I am going to put concealer on top of it. So concealer, powder, and everything. So it's going to, you know, I am using this NARS brush, and I try to stay close to my eye as I bring it down. See, it's subtle. I can still add a little bit more. I like you to see my blush, so we're going one more time, and that's it, girl. That's it. It feels so weird doing my makeup with no music or not watching anything and just talking to y'all, but basically to myself. Black and blushed. So for highlight, another Fenty concealer in the shade, girl, the shade is gone. So this is what we got going on. So I'm letting the concealer dry a little, and we're doing my eyebrows, girl. This is my holy grail. I naturally have a little fluff to my eyebrows. I really don't do too much. My eyebrows are not done, but when it's done and shaped and everything, I don't have to do much. I usually just like fill in just a little bit. I'm using the shade 5. I don't know, girl. And you know what's crazy? I wasn't really a big eyebrow girl maybe like a year or two ago. I don't know. I feel like you need patience to do your eyebrows. Also, when I first got into makeup and I was like searching up videos and stuff, all the girls had their eyebrows done before even starting the video. Like, how am I supposed to learn how to do my eyebrows if your eyebrows are already done? It has to be complicated. If everybody's doing their eyebrows off camera, I want you to do it on camera. I like your eyebrows, and I'm trying to see how you do it. What do you mean off camera? So this is basically what I do. I just lightly, wherever I feel like I have a little space, I just, you know, give it a little color. Now I'm just going to clean it a little, add a little concealer to my, like, this part of my eyebrows, and that's it, honey. I don't know. If there's much to the eyebrows, I don't do it because I don't know how to. Yeah. And this is basically what I do to my eyebrows. Nothing crazy, nothing major, just this. This dried a little, maybe a little too much. I'm just adding a little sprays too. I'm trying not to spread my concealer too high. I want it to stay like here. Something like this. You just have to take your time and blend as much as you feel like it's needed, girl. I like to do my makeup, but I like when I still look like me. I got my makeup professionally done. Yes, it looked good, but after a little while, I'm like, baby, who's this? You know, give my nose a little highlight. Something I like to do is after brush, I go over my concealer with my beauty blender just to remove excess. Feels like a tutorial. It's not a tutorial, girl. I'm just talking to you, okay? A recent new product that I really like, surprisingly not, the Rare Beauty Liquid Contour in the shade Tranquille. I go on top of that. I put a little here just to add a little bit more. Right away, we just blend. I know you see it. I know you see it. It's giving. For some reason, a lot of black girls don't like contour. We need it, girl. Adds a little oomph to the face, okay? It's subtle, but it's there. I'm done adding my contour. You can tell the difference. Then what I like to do, the concealer brush that I use to bring back the color wherever it left. That base looks so good, girl. Taking the setting spray and setting everything liquid. Was not a lot. Dry, dry, dry. I usually use the ultra pink from One Size, but I've been using this also, and fire. The girlies have been saying to go with pressed powder first and then the loose powders. Most popular one Fit Me in the shade 330. Tap tap. So I take this, I pack it on there, and I remove excess, and I don't need my whole face to be light. So whatever's left on here and on here, I don't do much to my nose. I try to let all the other products flow and do whatever they gotta do around my nose. Embracing my black girl nose. I'm not letting it sit too much, and I just go into brush. I feel like this video is all over the place, but I know if you're following, we good. We're on the same pace. We good. I do want to add a little brightness here, so I'm going with a rich peach. So we have to bring a little bit more warmth. So we gotta bring a little bit more warmth to the face. So I'm using my one size bronze sculpt, whatever the name is. I basically play with these both shades just here. And now for the pièce de résistance, we got this blush, because as you can see, my blush kind of faded away. So we're using the Patrick Tar. I'm only using the powder one, and after slightly putting a little blush here, I am going with this NARS Exhibit A. We're playing with this, girl. We're mixing it. We're mixing it, girl. And this base is looking right for the nose, right? Since I don't do much to it. So what I do, I take this slightly, I just do this, drag it down just to bring out its natural shape. I hope the camera is picking up my blush. Define my face a little bit more. I am going back with the Fit Me 300 or 360 just for you to see the no harsh lines. If you feel like when you do your makeup you have harsh lines, all you have to do is take your foundation brush. Don't add anything and just go over wherever you feel like you have lines. Blend. Lately I've been loving a no lash look, like natural lash look. I am using this magnetic lashes. See the difference? I actually like having my lashes because I don't have to worry about this whole, oh my god, this brought the look back alive. I could have done a little eyeshadow, but I'm not really an eyeshadow type of girl, so just mainly because I'm lazy, so we're just gonna stay like that. It is still giving natural. So we're moving on to my favorite part of makeup, which is my lips. I love me a nice little lip combo. I like a nudish lip combo. So for my lip combo, I am using this ColourPop pencil liner, and I slightly overline my lips. Now what I do, smudge it just a little. I bring it down and up like this. I'm going in with Fortune Cookie as like a transition type of shade. Then I am going with the Maybelline Plum. This is actually a lip plumper. This is fire. This has some type of fire in it. On top of it, going with the Maybelline, and once everything is done, I just go with a clear lip gloss on top. Making sure everything is just sharp. And this is honestly my favorite lip combo. I don't know, this base makeup looks so good. Final touches, my beauty marks. I have a couple natural ones that were covered with everything. What is going on? Is this coming to an end? What's going on? This is dry. This is drying. This is a big pencil. This is how much is in there. Urban Decay, you played me. This is basically how long the eyeliner is. This is basically how long the eyeliner is. Oh my god. And for the final step, And this is my final makeup look. I hope my camera is picking up how good this makeup looks, because this is actually fire and I have nowhere to go. We're about to create something to do because I look too good, okay? So this was my everyday step-by-step makeup look, and I hope you learned one thing or two. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.